Donald Trump's attempt to use a centuries-old wartime law to deport alleged members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua has been temporarily blocked by a federal judge. Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, which allows the president to deport or detain citizens of an enemy nation during wartime. The law has been used only 3 times in U.S. history, in the War of 1812, World War I, and during World War II when around 120,000 Japanese and Japanese Americans were forcibly interned. The White House issued a statement declaring Tren de Aragua a transnational criminal organization allegedly linked to Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Trump claimed the gang was conducting irregular warfare against the U.S. and framed the deportation order as a national security measure. Attorney General Pam Bondi was given 60 days to implement the order, allowing for immediate detention and removal of all alleged Tren de Aragua members over the age of 14 who are not U.S. citizens or legal residents. However, civil rights groups, including the ACLU, quickly challenged the order, arguing that the Alien Enemies Act was never meant for use in peacetime. The U.S. District Court in Washington issued a 14-day injunction, preventing deportations while the judge reviews the case. What is Tren de Aragua? The gang started in Tocaron Prison, Aragua State, where its leaders built a mini-city inside the prison including a pool, restaurants, and even a zoo, writes New York Times. Gang members reportedly recorded executions and torture to maintain authority over other inmates. As Venezuela's economy collapsed, the gang spread across Latin America, operating in Colombia, Chile, Brazil, and beyond. Tren de Aragua is involved in sex trafficking, human smuggling, drug trafficking, and violent crime. The gang has been linked to retail theft, phone snatching, drug dealing, and violent crimes, especially in New York City and other states. Authorities believe Tren de Aragua recruits members from U.S. migrant shelters, sometimes forcing them into illegal activities. In May 2024, federal officials uncovered a multi-state trafficking operation where Venezuelan women were forced into sex to pay smuggling debts. Trump has campaigned on the gang's presence, accusing the Biden administration of failing to stop its members from entering the U.S. In February 2024, the Trump administration detained 10 alleged gang members in Guantanamo Bay, though their involvement is disputed by relatives.